Hello, here we go. Welcome, join in. Hey, did I see Michael Katz there? Hi, Mike. So I guess you can say, oh, hi, Linda. You can
Good
say a
morning.
couple of words today, right? A bit later when people have joined and we start rolling. Oh, come on, it would be nice to hear from you about the song or about us or about, anything you like to say. Welcome, 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 everyone. Good to see you all. We are going through that filter of our meeting room. So let's first of all start with sitting upright. You know what? Today, out and roll our shoulders, basically just get comfortable, see how your body feels. For some of you, it's still early morning. For some of you, it's quite late, I guess. So I managed of all days to see a little bit of a warm-up that Kitka Jewish Women's Ensemble, Women's Ensemble, they're not Jewish, they do all sorts of things, Bulgarian singing, whatever, were putting online today. And Shira, who comes to, I think, pretty much every session here. I don't know if she's here now. Shira? I don't know if Shira is here, but Shira can tell us how to get to these warm-up sessions because they happen an hour before these sessions. A really good thing to do. You warm up vocally and then you come and sing here. And what we can also do today, welcome people joining. Wonderful. What we can do today, some of us, we can also go to where I'm going to a lecture like a talk on the red herrings of Jewish music by Josh Horowitz, who performed with me a few days ago here, a wonderful accordionist composer. Right, I think most of us are here with me. Merlin is monitoring who is joining us today. Some people are still suggesting, oh, Polina, hello. Some people are suggesting more security still, but let's see if today we're okay. So we are sitting upright. We'll just sing hum one note together. And Merlin, can we please unmute everyone for that one note so we can hear this messy sound? And mute everyone. And mute everyone. You know what? I heard you all singing in tune. Great. So the first thing we do, we sing through the tune together. Now, what I noticed, and Mike and Linda and Pauline, these are the three people from the Yiddish chorus. That was, I think we have Penny here who was in the choir, or still is in the choir, in that Yiddish chorus in Boston. Oh yeah, Judith as well, right, wonderful. Oh, great to see you, wonderful. So these people may correct me. I think that the version of this song that I'm used to, and maybe that's what they do, they stretch the last two bars, they make them into 3/4. I don't know. So I may just skip to the version I know. Please forgive me if I do. For now, let's just sing through the whole tune all the way through. It is in the same key as you can see it, for a change. A minor. Let's go. 1, 2. One more time for those who don't know it. Let's go. Carry on. We will sing the second phrase again. We're going from the second line, right in the middle where you see Wo Lebens. Yeah, that place. Going right up to the top of our range. Let's go. Carry on. So the little tail at the end changes pace. It goes like this. So when I go back to our faces, I'm not there yet. We're still on the music. I think that some of us sing it like this, which is on 3. Yeah, let's not think about it now, but if you hear me do that, that's just an option, a version. All the way through the tune. All right, how are we doing here? Good? Good? Okay, so the tune is easy. Let's look at our text. Something is happening in chat. Yes, nice, I agree. What interests me about this song, text is quite rough and it's about hardship of life, right? And Boston people, you can comment on this anytime you like. I would like to know what you think the song is about. Where are you? Do you want to say something? Michael, Linda, do you want to say something?
The background of the song, then
share what you think, because to me what's interesting is that it's such a mellow melody, but the text is very rough and it's about, you know, it's tough and there's some kind of, you know, disbalance between these two.
It's a love song of the sweatshop. So you've got the pain and the heartbreak of the sweatshop juxtaposed with love.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Thank you. So yeah, Pauline, you're agreeing. It's fantastic. It's a beautiful tune. Let's go. So let's look at the first verse. Now, we've done this many times. I suggest we just read through the text in the rhythm of the song because a lot of us can't do this. If you need it a second time, we will sing it a second time, okay? So we're going in the rhythm like this. Niet zoek mich, like this, yeah? 1 and 2. Niet zoek mich, die Myrten grünen. Gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. So, don't look for me where I don't know this word in English, myrtles grow. Yeah,
Myrtles.
You will not find me there, my beloved, my dear one. Third line, 1 and 2. Wo welken bei Maschinen, dorten is mein Ruheplatz. And we are a little tail. Dorten, let me see how it goes. Dorten is mein Ruheplatz. Changes the rhythm. Let's look at the last line in the music. Yeah, go with me. 1 and Dorten is mein Ruheplatz. So it changes the rhythm a bit. Yeah. Let's go through the song. First verse together. Niet zoek mich, wo die Myrten grünen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Wo lebenswelken bei Maschinen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort is mein Ruheplatz. So don't look for me there, but look for me where life is happening next to machines. And here is my resting place. You know what? I came across a translation yesterday where it said Ruhrplatz as a grave. Now, I don't agree with that. Right? One more time. Now, let me see your faces. Do you think you know the tune by now, more or less? Yeah? Should we try that? Okay, let's look at text only and see how we feel. 60 people today, fantastic. I guess it's Boston, isn't it? It's Boston, hello. Lovely. So, first verse. Gefährst mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Wo Lebenswelt kann Weinmaschinen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, everyone happy? Now, if you're too puzzled by reading Yiddish and learning the tune, if you're absolutely new to this, you will have an option of humming with us, because we're going to just try and read through the next verse and sing it. Okay, now Shira, I can see Shira, you're here. I just advertised that there was a warm-up session via Kitka's page. So if you could give us a link to this, or how to get to it in chat, then people can save the chat and they can do these warm-ups before these sessions. Yeah, so please use chat, okay? So we're going back to our song. Let's look at the second verse. It gets harsh. It gets, you know, it gets tough. You know, we are so fortunate to live like we do. Let's go together. Second verse, 1 and 2. Nicht such mich, wo die Vögel singen. Gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. So it's similar to the first verse. Don't look for me where birds are singing. You won't find me there, my darling. Third line, 1 and 2. Ashklaf bin wo liegen, dorten ist mein Ruheplatz. Okay, dorten ist mein Ruheplatz. I'm a servant, I'm a slave to where chains are ringing, right? Chains are klingen, they're ringing. This is where my resting place is. So we're going to just look at that second verse. Let me show you the Yiddish as well. And sing it together. Let's go. Nicht such mich, wo die Vögel singen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Ashklaf bin ich, o Krippen klingen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Good. Let me see your faces. Can we go into the next verse? Some people are uncertain. Yes, okay. There's an uncertain nod, but mostly nodding. Okay, let's do that. I'd like us to know what the song, you know, all the way through. It's a wonderful text written, just think 100, maybe a bit less, but it's kind of, yeah, it's more than 100 years, I guess, more than 100 years ago. Third verse. Yes, okay, go together. 1 and 2. Nicht such mich, wo Fontänen spritzen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. I'm hearing someone's voice. If your microphone is not muted, make sure that you mute it, yeah? Because I'm hearing someone, it may be louder than me, yeah? Okay. So the first two lines, again, it's another version of what we had in the first two. Don't look for me where fountains are spritzen, they're, what's the word?
spraying.
Yeah, springing. You won't find me there, my dear. Next line, third line, 1 and 2. Wo Tränen Zähne kritzen, dorten ist mein Ruheplatz. Dorten ist mein Ruheplatz. I'm still hearing someone. Are you hearing someone? No? Okay, I'm hallucinating. So, so where tears are, Rina, they flow, where tears flow, and where teeth clench, gnash. This is where my resting place is, right? Tough. Okay, don't cry. Let's just do it. It's strong. Nicht such mich wo Fontänen spritzen, gefährst mich dort nicht mein Schatz. Wo Tränen rinnen, Zähne kritzen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. We're going straight into the next verse. Let's speak it and let's sing it. 1 and 2. This will work. I'm sorry about this. Something happened with my internet, so I am on my mobile. I hope this will work. Really sorry. Now I guess we just have 2 songs to go over on that extra day, the 29th. We have a Russian song from that interrupted session and this one. Yes, okay. Sorry. Let's go. The whole thing. Ich such mich gefindest mir dort, mein Schatz. Lebenswerten bei Maschinen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Nicht such mich die Wege singen, gefindest mir dort, mein Schatz. Schlaf bin ich, wo Ketten klingen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Nicht such mich Fontänen spritzen, gefindest mir dort nicht mein Schatz. Wo Tränen rinnen, Zähne kritzen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Liebst du mich mit wahrer Liebe, du kommst zu mir, mein guter Schatz, und heiter auf mein Herz das Triebe und mach mir süß, mein Ruheplatz, mach mir süß, mein Ruheplatz. Thank you. I'm sorry about this glitch. I'm sorry about this glitch. I wanted to tell you many things, but I guess we just need to sing it again, okay?
Encore, 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 encore.
I'm not sure if I think this session will cut me off after 40 minutes, despite the breakage of the internet.
Okay,
so
yeah.
we have another 10 minutes. So let's do it, okay? Let's do
Yeah.
it again. Any comments, anything you want to say, please put it in chat. I hope you had a nice chat there without me. Okay? Nie such mich wo die Myrten grünen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Wo Lebenswelken bei Maschinen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Jetzt such mich, wo die Vögel singen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Ein Sklav bin ich, okay, dann Klinigen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Jetzt such mich wo Fontanen spritzen, gefällt mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Wo Tränen rinnen, Zähne kritzen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Liebst du mich mit wahrer Liebe, du kommst zu mir, mein guter Schatz. Und bei der Eufel mein Herz das Trieben und mach mit Süß mein Ruheplatz. Und mach mir Süß mein Ruheplatz. All right.
That was lovely.
Beautiful, right?
Dank.
Dank.
Yes.
Vielen Dank.
So I guess right, we have 6 minutes. We can do anything we like in the 6 minutes, right? You know about tomorrow's concert. 6 minutes seems like ages. We can do it one more time. So tomorrow's concert with Korolenko, we have an extra session on the 29th, which will be just a social. I'm calling it talk to me rather than sing with me. So we will sing that Russian art song from the other time when we didn't have the last 10 minutes because of the hackers. And we will sing maybe this one. So we have two very melodic, very poignant, very emotional songs for that session. We will start with that. And I want to hear you, your ideas, your feedback about these sessions, about your connection to this music, either Russian or Yiddish or both, or just your love of music. So anything you want to bring to that session, the 29th, please do. Now, if you have anything you want to share, use chat. There are great events happening. People do ask me to announce them here. I can't do everything. It's too much. Please share in chat, okay? And it's great to see you all. We are going to do it one more time all the way through. Yes? Ready? Sit upright. Let's give it our full. Jetzt such mich gut im Erdengrün, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Wo Lebenswelken bei Maschinen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Jetzt such mich wo die Vögel singen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. A Schlaf bin ich, wo Kinder klinigen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Jetzt such mich aus an deinen Spritzen, gefindest mich dort nicht, mein Schatz. Wo Tränen rinnen, Zähne kritzen, dort ist mein Ruheplatz, dort ist mein Ruheplatz. Und liebst du mich mit wahrer Liebe, da komm zu mir, mein guter Schatz, und heiter auf mein Herz das Triebe und mach mir süß mein Ruheplatz, mach mir süß mein Ruheplatz.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Bravo.
Thank you.
That was
So I
lovely.
hope to see you tomorrow or the day after, whenever you can join us. In 36 sections, we only had 2 hiccups, so I hope everything will be okay. And this was a lovely
Hashem,
song.
dank.
Thank you for joining me for that song, especially the Boston branch. That's fantastic to see you. Thank you very much. I guess that's it. Let's sing along together.